Eden Licauco, the mother of Kapuso actor David Licauco, shared her thoughts on Kapuso actress Barbie Forteza and Kapamilya actress Catherine Bernardo. Barbie is David's current love team partner. Their tandem is now known as Barda. They first worked together in the series Maria Clara at Ibarra. Their unexpected on-screen chemistry led to new projects for them. In a recent interview, based on the article in GMA Entertainment, Eden Licauco was asked about the hit Barda love team. David Licauco's mom admitted that she is a Barda fan. I'm a big fan of Barbie and David, she said. Eden also said that she wants to meet Barbie in person. Just recently, David also had another milestone in his career. He walked the runway at the Bench Body of Work fashion show with Catherine Bernardo, who is tagged as Asia's superstar. He's been vocal naman kasi na parang dream din niya na makapartner niya si Catherine. Noong nakasama niya sa bench show, I was happy for David, Eden said about her son's recent milestone. Then, Eden shared that David was already able to meet Catherine last year at the same fashion event. She is also looking forward to the chance that David will have a project with Catherine. Eden shared that David Licauco is currently single and that her son would share with her if he had a crush. Meanwhile, aside from being an actor and endorser of various brands, David Licauco is also a businessman. Just recently, he revealed his massive earnings in a year. He is set to have a new project with Barbie Forteza, and this will definitely give kilig feelings to Barda fans because it is a love story. The actor is currently promoting his new movie Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan, which is scheduled to be released on April 19.